Before sheeting commences, ensure that the purlin at the eaves is correctly positioned to give the required overhang of the sheeting over the gutter. The maximum unsupported overhang for Profile 6 sheets is 350 mm. Place onto the lowest purlin and lay the first course of sheeting onto the eaves closure, overlapping as normal. You will notice the closure pieces have an indent in the design to facilitate the lapse. Fix as usual into the centre of the purlin through the first full corrugation in from either side of the sheet, penetrating both the sheet and eaves closure piece to secure in position. Eaves corrugation closures can be used with or without ventilation. Here is an example of one method to ventilate at the eaves using eaves corrugation closures. Eaves filler pieces are also available to close off the corrugations and provide a continuous flat soffit to the underside of the roof sheeting for close sealing to the top of a wall or the edge of a gutter. Install in the same way by first placing onto the lowest purlin, ensuring sufficient overhang into the gutter. Place the sheet on top of the eaves filler, overlapping and fixing as normal. Again, eaves fillers can be used with or without ventilation, and another example of how to achieve ventilation at the eaves when using this product is shown here.